to my channel, it's Itsweilyn, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to create this look. And this is a Chinese New Year inspired makeup look, therefore I have a lot of like reddish orangey tone. I also put on a red lipstick just to give it more, you know, like up this look, because it's a Chinese New Year inspired makeup. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Because I've already filled in my eyebrows, and as of now I have on my double eyelid sticker as well, so we're just going to continue from there. So that's it to this video. I hope this video gave you a bigger picture on how you can do your makeup for CNY. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you guys have time to leave a comment on this video. Yeah, alright, so that's pretty much it. 恭喜發財 to everyone out there, or happy Chinese New Year to everyone out there. Bye!